Welcome back, children, to our science online class. Today we will do the revision of lesson 8, some properties of water. With the help of reading, I will explain you the lesson once more and pay attention. And as you know, this lesson will come for the third term exam. So, open page 83 and pay attention. Water is the most precious substance found on earth. Water is tasteless, odorless and colorless liquid. Water has no taste, no color, and it has no smell. Odorless means smell, without a smell. And it is a liquid, and we all need water. All living things need water. It covers about 3/4 of Earth's surface. On the Earth, 3/4 is water body and 1/4 is land area. It is found in water bodies such as oceans, seas, rivers, streams, etc. Water exists in 3 different forms on Earth. Yes, water bodies are found in oceans, seas, rivers, streams, and we can get water from these places. And water can exist in 3 forms, that is solid, liquid and gas. Now we will read the physical properties of water. Let us read what is the physical property of water. First point is water has a fixed volume. Though water has no fixed shape, but it has a fixed volume. When a liquid is poured in another container, it does not change its volume. You can see in the picture, when we keep the water in the jug, it takes the shape of the jug. And when we pour the water in the glass, it takes the shape of the glass. But the volume, the quantity does not increase or decrease. Second point is water occupies space. Water has mass and it occupies space. If you take an ice tray and pour water over it, the water overflows. This is because the water needs space. You can see in the picture, if you take out the ice tray from the fridge, the ice is filled in the tray. And when you try to pour water on it, because the ice tray is full of ice, solid ice, so the water will overflow. It will flow out of the tray. You can see in the picture, because water occupies space. Next point is water flows easily. The water flows easily. It flows and takes the shape of the container. Water flows out of container when it is full. So, water, if you take one bottle of water and open the lid, and if you push that bottle, what will happen? All the water will flow. So that is why it is telling water flows easily. Next point is water can change its form. Water can be changed from one form to another by heating or cooling. In the solid form, it exists as ice. In the liquid form, it exists as water. And in the gaseous form, it exists as water vapor. Water can change its form by heating or cooling. If we heat the water, water changes into water vapor. And if we cool the water, if we keep it in the fridge, it changes into solid form. Solid form of water, that is ice, change into liquid form on heating, which is called melting. When ice is kept outside, in the temperature changes, so it melts, and that is known as melting. When liquid water is heated, it changes into gaseous form of water, that is water vapor. It is changing into water vapor, and this process is called evaporation. Water vapor changes into water again on cooling, that is called condensation. When water vapor changes into water again on cooling, that is known as condensation. Liquid form of water gets converted into solid form of water again on cooling, that is called freezing or solidification, because it is changing into solid form. When we put the water in the fridge again, it cools, it freezes and changes into solid form, that is ice. It is known as solidification. Next point is water and water solution. A solution is formed when two or more substances mix together and dissolve completely. When we take sugar and mix in the water, solution is formed. The substance that dissolves is called solute, and the substance in which a solute dissolves is called a solvent. Solute plus solvent known as solution. We get solution. When we mix, you can see in the picture, when we mix sugar in water, sweet solution we get. Next point is conditions that affect making of a solution. The making of a solution or dissolving a solute in solvent depends on the following conditions. First point is, a solute dissolves faster when it is stirred. When we mix sugar in water with the spoon, it dissolves faster. Second point is, a solute dissolves faster in water when it is heated. When we heat the water and put sugar in it, that dissolves more faster. And sometimes when we put sugar and increase the quantity of water, the dissolving rate will increase. It will dissolve more faster. And last point is, smaller the size. When we take small size of particles of sugar, or it will dissolve faster in the liquid, in the water or in the milk. So till here for today. Read the lesson well and learn well for your third term exam. Thank you.